So one of the problems I've come across is knowing exactly what materials to buy. We bought a small quantity of various pieces of wood. The slate, well, that was obviously a no-brainer, that's no problem. Bought a couple of other bits and pieces, sample packs. And a couple of days ago I came across this company, I think it was Monday, called Hobarts. I'll put the link in the description. And this package of all sorts of sample pieces, I think the total with shipping came to about £86. So I thought I would perhaps unbox this on camera and see if we've got value for money there, and whether we've got enough different types of laserable items so that it's going to be helpful and worthwhile. So yeah, just going to pull this out, see what we've got. Oh, a massive sheet of paper. I was packing now. Yeah, it was 88.20 in the end. We've got a whole list of. Oh, actually, this is also contains full descriptions, sheet size, thickness, and also country of origin, and also the commodity code. So we've got items from Spain, Ireland, Italy, Finland, Russia, Poland, the UK, the USA. Wow, quite a range. China. Yeah, all listed with commodity codes. So that is very interesting, especially if you were buying any of this to send overseas, where you would need to enter commodity codes. So we know what we've got in here. I don't suppose it's going to be labelled or anything. I'm going to have to work out what's what myself, but we've got a thin piece of board there. Actually, I'm just going to pull all of these out. Yeah, I've absolutely no idea what they are. I'll have to go through the instructions, different thicknesses here as well. Oh, nice. Let's just see if we can cut this off, it might be a bit easier. Alright, there we go. So that's some wood pieces, a little bit warped already. We'll have to get some weight on that. Oh, this is a laserable rubber. So I think you can laser this and make stamps out of it, that sort of thing. So yeah, it smells like rubber, but laserable apparently. Not tried that, don't know anything about it, but now we have a piece to try. We've got a thin piece of clear. Looks like we've got a whole selection of these different sizes. Yeah, we've got some different thicknesses here. I think this is all clear stuff. Green cast acrylic sheets. So a few different sizes there. And then it looks like we've got, well, that's white. Looks like we've got a black sheet there. Then we've got pink. Well, it's a sort of reddy orange. Another clear one. Same. Then we've got a green as well. Now we've got some cards for lasering as well. Some grey. What colour that is? Brown, I think. And again, more brown. Oh, this is nice. What's this? This looks like a gold and silver finish, but I think once you laser through the outer layer, it goes to black. So they would probably make some very nice signs. Yeah, so it's just the top surface that's gold. I'm assuming that's protected with a, yeah, it is. That might be an interesting thing to try. And then we have, that's very flexible, don't even know what that is. I think it's probably just a thin black acrylic. Ooh, some nice bits of wood now. Let's grab those first. They're quite a thicker, that I suspect is bamboo. Yeah, that's definitely bamboo, I think. And the reason I know that is because I was in Lidl yesterday, and for a £5 they're doing these great big bamboo chopping boards, and I thought maybe for some friends or family we could put engrave something nice on these. I think at £5 you probably couldn't make much money engraving these and posting them out, but you know, maybe I'm wrong. So I just grabbed a couple just so we could perhaps do something for friends, and it looks very much like that board there. So yeah, 2 small pieces of bamboo, well, they're all the same sizes. We then have a clear, or is that yeah, I don't think it's clear, it's translucent. We've got a blue one. Oh, this one's nice. That looks to me, oh yeah, very nice. This is a I think it's got a, I can see through that. You probably won't be able to see this on the camera, but I can see my hand through it. But it's got some sort of pattern in it. It's almost like it's full of little bits of glitter or something. I don't know whether you can, maybe you can see through that. I think you probably can. So that's got a nice effect to it. Oh, this is a nice one. That is a sparkly finish, and it's also got a roughness on the back, so it's smooth that side and rough on that side. So that's different. What else have we got? Ooh, that's a sort of marble effect, I would guess that is. Nothing on the back. Again, can you see through? Yeah, you can see through it. You just see my hand moving there. So I guess you could have these lit if you were doing something with them. And then we have, oh yeah, nice. Similar thing, but a bluey green, swirly sort of ocean pattern. Oh, that's unusual. Very unusual. All protected nicely with the film still. Oh, that's like a mirrored purple. That's really nice. Just grey on the back. Don't know what you could use that for, but we're going to find out. And then we've got a mirrored gold. Again, grey on the back. And don't know what that is. I don't know whether it's some sort of fibreboard. It's not thick cardboard, it's some sort of fibreboard. Dark grey, almost black. So, yeah, was that good value? I mean, that's quite a lot of, it weighs nearly 8 kilos. It's quite a lot of different materials for messing around with and probably making some stuff out of. So I think that, I mean, I've got nothing, you know, apart from what I've already bought earlier. So I think if you're just starting out, that's probably a well worth getting hold of. Here's a couple more updates, which I'll probably show in a separate video. I've added some LED lights on the inside of the laser just so I can light things up and see what's going on when the machine is working, and also when I'm lining things up with the lid open. So yeah, well worth it. I'll put the link in the description.